In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import Excel into Google Sheets, covering 2 reliable methods so you can choose the workflow that suits you best. Google Sheets is an incredibly powerful, free and collaborative spreadsheet tool, and being able to bring your existing Excel data into it seamlessly is a core skill that will save you time and frustration. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, let's talk about why you'd even want to do this in the first place. Maybe a client sends you a budget in Excel, or you're migrating your personal finances over to the cloud. Whatever the reason, Google Sheets handles the conversion surprisingly well, preserving most of your formulas, formatting, and data. The key thing to understand is that there's a difference between just viewing an Excel file in Google Drive and actually converting it into a native Google Sheets file. A native Sheets file is editable online, supports real-time collaboration, and lives fully in the cloud. An uploaded Excel file, on the other hand, can be viewed and edited in a limited way, but it's still essentially an Excel file. So your goal here is usually to get that full conversion. Method 1 is the manual upload via Google Drive. This is the method I recommend if you want to keep a copy of the original Excel file as a backup and create a brand new independent Google Sheets file from it. Start by opening Google Drive in your web browser. If you're not already on drive.google.com, go ahead and navigate there now. Once you're in your Drive, look in the top left corner and click the bright blue plus New button. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. This will open your computer's file explorer. Navigate to the location of your .xlsx file, or even an older .xlsx file. Select it and click Open. You'll see a small progress indicator in the bottom right corner of your Drive window as the file uploads. Now, here's a common pitfall. The file is now in your Drive, but it hasn't been converted yet. It's still an XL file. To begin the conversion, locate the uploaded file in your Drive list. Right-click on it, and from the context menu, hover over Open With. Then, choose Google Sheets. Google Sheets will open in a new tab, displaying your data. At this point, you're looking at a temporary conversion. If you look at the title bar at the very top of the sheet, it will likely still say the original XL file name. To truly own this as a Google Sheets file, you need to perform one final step. Go to the menu bar at the top, click File, then scroll down to Save as Google Sheets. That's the magic step. It will immediately create a brand new native Sheets file in your Drive, and the original XL file will remain untouched. You can then rename the new file and organize it however you like. This is perfect for one-off imports where you want to be careful not to overwrite your source. Method 2 is the automatic conversion setting. This is a huge time saver for anyone who frequently imports XL files into Google Sheets. Instead of manually uploading and then saving as sheets each time, you can flip a single switch in your Google Drive settings. To do this, go back to your main Google Drive view. In the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. A new panel or window will open. Look for the section that says General, and within that find the checkbox that reads Convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. Make sure that box is checked and then click Done to save the setting. Now here's what happens. With that setting enabled, any Excel file you upload to Drive, whether you drag and drop it into the main Drive window or use the plus New button, will automatically be converted into a native Google Sheets file upon upload. You won't need to right-click or do the Save as Google Sheets step. The system handles it for you. There's one important nuance though. If you upload the file directly from inside the Google Sheets interface, for example, by going to File, Import, and selecting your Excel file, that action is also affected by this setting. So it's a global toggle that makes your entire Google Drive smarter about handling Microsoft Office files. It also works for Word documents, converting them to Google Docs, and PowerPoint files, converting them to Google Slides. I personally keep this setting enabled because it streamlines my workflow, but be aware, if you ever want to keep the original Excel format in your Drive, you'll need to turn this setting off before uploading. It's a fantastic productivity hack that eliminates a repetitive step. To recap everything we just covered, you now know how to import Excel into Google Sheets using both a manual method and an automatic conversion setting. The manual method gives you full control and preserves the original file, while the automatic setting saves you time if you do this often. Your data is now live in the cloud, fully editable and ready for collaboration. As a next step, I'd encourage you to explore the File menu in Sheets and look at the Import option. It allows you to import specific sheets or ranges from a larger workbook, which can be incredibly handy. Also, remember that formatting like merged cells or complex conditional formatting might not always transfer perfectly, so do a quick visual check after conversion. If you found this walkthrough useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more real-world Google Sheets tutorials. Drop a comment below with your biggest challenge when moving data between spreadsheets. I read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes the next video we create. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next one.